Hey guys, are you struggling with your basic SEO for your Google My Business? Here are a few little tricks that you can do that can help you. So go to this geoimager.com. I do pay for the pro version just because it allows me to do a bunch of photos in one day. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the photos here and I'm going to geotag them for the city that I service. So I'm going to actually do Buffalo. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my cleaners photos. And then I'm going to take those photos and I'm going to post them to Google My Business. So let me just pause this so I can go grab the photos really quick and get those uploaded and show you how to geotag. Okay, so I have uploaded the photos. So what I did is I took my cleaners photos, I threw it in Canva, I added their name, and then what I want to do is I want to get the coordinates for Buffalo, New York. Or let's say I want to do a suburb of that area, or I want to do Tampa, Florida. So let's do Tampa, Florida. I'm going to get these coordinates here, and here's the latitude and longitude, and you can see it's going to add these geotags here. So then what keywords am I looking for? So I want to use keywords like house cleaners, house cleaning near me, best cleaners, best house cleaning company, Tampa, Florida, maid service near me. Let's see what else. Professional house cleaners near me. Okay, so let's grab this and copy it to every person, or every image rather. I'm just going to go down the line, add these all in. Now, after I'm done doing this, we're going to add the photo description. So the photo description is important because when Google, or if anybody is searching for house cleaners, you want this alternative text to say house cleaner, right? So the description can say professional house cleaner, Tampa, Florida. So we're going to grab that and we're going to copy it to all of these. And it doesn't matter that there's a description. Really what it is the keyword that I'm trying to put in there to be able to drive more traffic to my Google My Business profile utilizing organic SEO. So understand that there are two different types of SEO. There's SEO for Google My Business, which is going to get you on your map pack. And then there is your regular SEO that is from your website. So then the next thing I need to do to be able to get these tags in there is I just need to write it to the image. So now we're going to write it to the image, which basically means that when I download this, it's going to add all these geotags. And when we send them over to Google, they are going to be able to know it's going to do this. So I'm just going to pause this through the video here for you. Where'd it go? All right, let me just pause this while I download. Okay, so I have all those downloaded. So what I'm going to do now, just to keep everything organized, is I'm going to take these and, whoops, I didn't mean to open it over here. I'm going to take these and just organize them in a folder. And I'm just going to call it my Buffalo folder, or my Tampa folder. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this so that I know where they are on my desktop. Okay, so now that I have that information, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my profile and I'm going to add photos. And I'm going to go and upload these. So I have cleaners photos in Tampa geo-tagged. I'm going to just grab all of these, open it up. It's going to start to upload them. This just takes a minute or so. But once you're done here, That's it. That's all you got to do. So now they're geotagged and they are going to start showing up at the bottom of your Google My Business and up here. It'll start to rotate the photos for you. Hope this was helpful.